A solo developer built an entire product in 3 weeks, launched it, and hit $62,000 in monthly recurring revenue in just 3 months. No team, no venture capital, just one person with AI coding tools and a clear market opportunity. This is not a hypothetical scenario or some motivational story. This is Mattia Pomelli, and his AI design tool Sleek is now generating more revenue monthly than most people earn in a year. Today, 2 stories that show exactly where AI is taking the software industry. First, how indie hackers are building million-dollar run-rate businesses faster than ever before. And second, why Mark Zuckerberg just declared 2026 the year of personal superintelligence and announced Meta is pivoting away from the metaverse to go all in on AI agents. Let's break down both. Mattia Pomelli is an indie hacker based in Portugal, who has been coding for about 8 years. He and 2 friends spent the past year building design tools, and they noticed something: more and more people are building mobile apps. Good design is critical for mobile, but the tooling for mobile app design was way behind what exists for web development. So they built Sleek, an AI-powered mobile app mockup generator that lets anyone turn an app idea into professional-looking screens in minutes. Not hours, not days, minutes. Here's what makes this story remarkable. Pomelli built the entire product in just 3 weeks. Within 6 weeks of launch, Sleek hit $10,000 in monthly recurring revenue, and by 3 months, $62,000 MRR. That's a $744,000 annual run rate from a product that didn't exist 90 days earlier. The tool works by letting users describe what they want. Then the AI generates mobile app designs that can be iterated on through conversation. Users can export directly to Figma or even to code. It's positioned squarely at non-technical founders who need professional mobile app designs without hiring expensive designers or learning complex software. This matters because it's a concrete, documented case study of what AI-first development actually looks like in 2026. The timeline here is insane by traditional startup standards. 3 weeks to build, 6 weeks to 10,000 MRR, 3 months to 62,000. This is only possible because of AI coding tools that let solo developers ship production-quality software at speeds that previously required entire teams. But the bigger story isn't just speed, it's market timing. Pomelli identified that mobile app design tools were an underserved market just as AI made it possible to automate design generation. He moved fast into a gap before larger competitors could react. For anyone watching this who's thinking about building something, this is the blueprint. Find an underserved niche, use AI tools to build fast and get to market before the window closes. The barrier to entry for software businesses has never been lower. The question now is whether this kind of rapid scaling is sustainable. Sleek is operating in an increasingly crowded AI design tool market, and larger players with more resources could enter at any time. Watch for whether Pomelli can maintain growth, defend his market position, and potentially raise funding, or if he'll get acquired by a bigger design platform looking to add AI capabilities. Either way, this story proves the playbook works. Expect to see more indie hackers attempting the same rapid build-to-revenue approach throughout 2026. Now, while solo founders are building AI-powered businesses from their bedrooms, the biggest tech companies in the world are also pivoting hard toward AI, and one of them just made a massive announcement about where they see the future heading. If Mattia Pomelli represents the grassroots AI revolution, Mark Zuckerberg represents what happens when a $3 trillion company decides to bet everything on the same technology. Mark Zuckerberg just declared 2026 the year of personal superintelligence. During Meta's Q4 earnings call, Zuckerberg announced that the company is pivoting away from the metaverse, yes, the thing they literally renamed Facebook for, to focus almost entirely on AI agents. And they're backing it up with serious money. Meta's capital expenditure on AI for 2026 will be between $115 billion and $135 billion. That's nearly double what they spent last year. Here's what Zuckerberg actually said: "We are now seeing a major AI acceleration. I expect 2026 to be a year where this wave accelerates even further on several fronts. We're starting to see agents really work. The specific product they're building, agentic commerce tools. These are AI agents that will help users shop across Instagram, Facebook, and WhatsApp." Zuckerberg explained that while current ads help businesses find specific people interested in products, These new agents will flip it, helping people find exactly the right products from Meta's business catalog. Meta is also testing Business AI, a customer service agent that can handle purchases, manage returns, provide product recommendations, and process transactions, all while maintaining a consistent brand voice across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and Messenger. This is one of the biggest strategic pivots in tech history. Meta spent tens of billions on the metaverse. They renamed their entire company around it. And now Zuckerberg is essentially saying that's done. AI agents are the future. What makes this particularly significant is Meta's approach. While OpenAI and Anthropic have focused heavily on enterprise applications, productivity tools, workplace automation, Zuckerberg is explicitly saying Meta wants to deliver personal superintelligence to everyone, not just businesses, everyone. The agentic commerce angle is the immediate business play. With hundreds of millions of conversations already happening daily between businesses and customers on WhatsApp alone, turning those conversations into AI-mediated transactions could reshape e-commerce entirely. This isn't just about better chatbots. It's about AI agents that can autonomously handle entire customer journeys from discovery to purchase to returns. Watch for Meta to roll out these agentic commerce tools throughout 2026, starting with WhatsApp Business. Small businesses will likely get access to AI agents that can manage customer service, sales, and even returns autonomously. The bigger question is how this changes social media itself. Zuckerberg hinted that AI-generated content could replace traditional social media formats. If that happens, the platforms billions of people use daily could look fundamentally different by the end of this year. Meta is betting everything on this transition. Now everyone else has to decide whether to follow. So there it is, two stories that show the same transformation happening at completely different scales. A solo founder builds a $62,000 monthly business in 3 months using AI tools, and one of the world's largest tech companies bets over $100 billion that AI agents will replace how we shop, communicate, and consume content. Whether you're building something yourself or just trying to understand where technology is heading, these are the signals you need to pay attention to. If this kind of breakdown is useful, subscribe. New AI and tech news coverage drops daily. See you in the next one.